Welcome to the United Nation of Yisrael, brought to you by Yisrael.us. The saying goes, you can run, but you can't hide. We've tried running, fleeing from the chains of bondage, fleeing from those who seek to destroy us as a nation, spread to the four corners of the earth and plagued with rape, murder, and hatred. In the darkness of our history, our ancestors tried to fight. It's known as the African slave revolts. In the United States, Nat Turner's rebellion sent shockwaves through the slave-owning South, but it was met with a tragic end. In the heart of the Caribbean, the Haitian Revolution blazed like a wildfire, led by Toussaint Louverture and countless others. The Black Panther Party, led by Huey P. Newton, stood up against oppression. In 1989, Huey P. Newton's life was cut short, along with others like Fred Hampton. We've tried peaceful protest and marching. During the era of segregation and Jim Crow laws, Dr. King led the civil rights movement. Successful boycotts ensued, forever changing America's policies and legislation. Dr. King's dream that black little boys and white little girls could one day walk hand in hand together revealed itself to be a nightmare. We've tried singing and dancing, shucking and jiving, entertainers giving their whole lives away to the draconian system that only seeks to suck them dry of their gifts, rhythm, and soul. We've tried education, sparking revolutions in science and technology. The fruits of our labor are woven into the fabric of progress, leaving an indelible mark. Yet, we have not been able to partake in the fruits of our labor, the primary base for the American pie. Wealth, we tried that too. The very few that have tasted wealth are reminded of their place in society and appear to be forbidden to contribute to the progress of their own. And many promote negative stereotypes that destroy us as a nation. We've tried voting to create a brighter future for our people, but our efforts have been repeatedly undermined. The prioritization of other people groups and nations over our own continues, leaving us feeling disillusioned and marginalized. We have given everything to this nation and have gotten nothing in return. Our lives have been cursed for over 400 years. It is time to break that curse. It is time to build our nation. It is time to focus on healing, restoration, and reconciliation. It is time to unify. It is time to roll up those sleeves. It is time to gather and build. Our nation has spent over 400 years building this nation. A nation the world calls the greatest nation in the world, a nation of our captivity. We have contributed in every way we can with our blood, sweat, and tears. We have built and invented more things than imaginable with little to no credit. We have built this nation only to watch the children of other nations flourish, but not our own. It's time to build our own nation. That's what we are here to do with your help. Get active. Save our website, YahwehGather.us, to connect and get updates about your nation. Subscribe and follow us on all platforms. Share content to spread the message of nation and unity. Attend our Zoom meetings and in-person events. Donate to your nation so we can build communities and acquire commodities that help our nation. Invite other like-minded brothers. Feel free to use our flyers on the website. Join us to build our nation brick by brick under the power and the holy will of Yah.